The making of the Strumstick dulcimer is a great way to start woodworking. Here in my little workshop in Stoke-on-Trent, you'll find all the tools and materials to make your wonderful project. In our very relaxed class, you will learn about wood selection, accurate marking, bandsaw use, drilling, sanding, fret levelling, neck shaping, tuning, and of course wood finishing. A lot of my students have no experience with woodwork, and most people still complete the project with time to spare. This course is designed to give you an introduction into the art of acoustic guitar making, also known as lutherie. We are now offering a jewellery box and clock making course which can both be completed in one day. There is free parking and security on site. Thank you for watching and hope to see you soon, and happy strumming.